There's been quite a lot of discussion recently around AI generated content and whether Google is going to penalize it. And I think at the end of the day, we need to separate two things: AI generated content and AI assisted content, because they're not really the same thing. Claude has now started putting markers into AI generated content. Gemini already has its own watermarking technology through SynthID, and I think it's fairly safe to assume that other platforms are going to continue moving in this direction as well. So this isn't going away. Now, at this point in time, Google is not saying that AI generated content or content carrying an AI marker is automatically going to hurt your SEO. But, and this is quite a bit but, I think the area is still pretty murky because Google is also being very clear that it wants content that adds something: real experience, real knowledge, original information, a proper point of view. And this is where I start looking at some of the SEO tools that are coming into the market now. There are more and more platforms saying they can automate your SEO, create your articles, optimize them, and publish them for you. And perhaps that sounds great, but if your entire content process is being automated, what are you actually adding that is yours? That's the question I think businesses need to be asking. For me, AI should be assisting the process. Use it to research, use it to help organize your thoughts, use it to make something clearer, absolutely use it to save time. But give it your expertise, give it the information from inside your business, your customer questions, your actual experience, your data, your examples, your opinion. And from our perspective at Net Branding, this is exactly why we spend so much time watching where Google is going. We look at the policy changes, we look at the guidance, we look at the announcements and the shifts that are happening across search and AI, because our job is not just to react once something has changed. We try to understand what is coming next, what it could mean for our clients, and what we should be doing now so they are in the strongest possible position. And we do that based on research, not guesswork, because I think that is where this is heading. The issue probably isn't going to be whether Google can tell that AI touched your content. It's going to be whether, once Google knows that, your content still gives it a reason to rank you, retrieve you, and potentially cite you. And that's a very different conversation. That's Cathy from Net Branding. Be seen, be heard, be found, trusted, and cited. When customers ask AI who they should trust, will your business be part of the answer? We help businesses earn visibility, authority, and mentions across AI search platforms. We're already doing it for ourselves. Now let's do it for you. Net Branding, leading the next revolution. Be seen, be heard, be found, trusted, and cited online.